try this method to remove and install tractor tire. So what I did to install it, I used 3 clamps and I sandwich the tires together, make it narrow. Just like that. And then it makes the tire less narrow so you can easily get it on. And I suggest having 2 or even 3 bars to assist you to install it. The removal of these tires, what I did, instead of trying to break the bead, I literally cut the tires off this way. So what I did, I use a grinder, this wheel, I cut the tire, but I also use my clamp, my bench clamp, to break 1 bead. And then I cut the tires across. Just be careful when you're cutting that you don't cut the rim. And that's what I did. So to show you how I did by dismounting, breaking the bead, I use my bench clamp like so, and I insert the tire assembly with the rim. And just be careful when you clamp the rim, you don't clamp it down with the vise. And I just slowly press in the tire, and it will break one side of the rim. And this is where I cut the tire all around. And then I was able to break the other bead that I just fully cut it off with any kind of grinder or cutting disc wheel. I use this because that's all I had. So try this and see how it works for you. The first one was difficult, but as you see, it's installed. So, and that's it. Thank you.